Most people get this wrong. They assume all Platinum cards are the same. But the Scotiabank Platinum American Express credit card offers a unique set of benefits that could make it a great choice if used correctly. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know before applying. The card comes with a competitive rewards program. You earn points on everyday spending like groceries, gas, and dining, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits. For example, you might earn 5 points per dollar on groceries and 2 points per dollar on other purchases. This can add up quickly if you use the card for regular expenses. There's also a welcome bonus if you meet a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. This bonus alone can be worth hundreds in travel or gift cards, making the card more attractive for new applicants. The card offers travel perks like rental car insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranties, which are useful for frequent travelers. Keep in mind, though, that some of these benefits require you to pay with the card to qualify. The annual fee is something to consider, while the benefits are strong. If you don't use the card regularly or take advantage of the rewards, the fee might outweigh the value. It's best for someone who can leverage the points, travel perks, and bonus offers effectively. In conclusion, the Scotiabank Platinum American Express credit card is excellent for users who spend on everyday purchases and want travel perks and rewards. If you plan to maximize points and benefits, it's worth considering, but casual users should weigh the annual fee carefully. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to make sure you choose the card that fits your lifestyle and financial goals.